Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are enjoying good health. Myself Safdar Ali. This is the second lecture of interior design course. In first lecture we discussed the definition of interior design, the difference between interior design and the interior designer, the steps involved in interior design process. In today's lecture we will discuss the difference between interior designer and decorator and the main responsibilities of interior designer and the decorator, ancient history and the modern history of interior design. Let's now start. First of all, the difference between interior designer and a decorator. An interior designer is often confused with an interior decorator. This is because most people think a decorator and a designer actually do the same job when choosing decorating materials, colors, lighting, decor, and etc. But the interior designer is responsible for the layout, furniture, floor plan, ideas, ergonomic design, and functionality. At the same time, decorator is responsible for the layout, furniture, floor plan, ideas, ergonomic design, and functionality. These are the things interior designer and the interior decorator are doing the same job, but interior designer main responsibility to include design project development, interior style selection, visualization, cooperation, project control. First responsibility of interior designer is the design project development. It includes all crucial blueprints that cover such aspects as zoning, wall mounting, dismantling, lighting, engineering, furniture placement, plumbing, etc. A designer also deals with space scanning, designer furniture sketches, and more. And the second one, the interior style selection. A designer is the one to choose the best matching interior style that meet customer preference likes. It can be modern, boho, country, or any other style reflected in the designer collage, sketches, color palette, and reference to display the idea of the future scene. And the third one, visualization. The next stage is to visualize the future interior. The idea is to show client how the room or space will look like when all work are finally completed. And the fourth one, cooperation. A designer works closely with other specialists as well as the client to choose appropriate decorating and finishing material, plumbing, and other things necessary to bring the design idea to life. What's more, a designer is responsible for choosing a furniture, light, and other object to match the interior concept in terms of color, style, and etc. A designer keeps control over the budget and makes all needed calculations. And the fifth one, project control. It means not only making all necessary measurements and blueprint but also real-time control of the scene. A designer is also supervise worker and make prompt charges, substitution or adjustment in case of necessity to ensure stable workflow. In interior decorator responsibilities, it includes a decorator start the work when a designer is finished. The main mission is to make the require finishing touches to make the interior look complete. A decorator takes into account the current stage of the process as well as the client preference in the term of element or thing that should be replaced, fulfilled and removed or added. In first responsibilities of an interior decorator is concept development. A decorator develops his own vision of interior decoration with collages, layouts and sketches. Object and element. The next stage is to choose interior objects and items that would fulfill the scene. They may include painting, piece of furniture, lamp, curtain, floor, and dishes and other accessories. And the third one, harmony. A decorator is responsible for developing a harmonious scene. The idea is to make all separate objects match each other in style or color to create full picture. And fourth one, exclusive sketches. If the interior requires some exclusive item like lamp, painting or the head of the bed, and decorator can develop sketches and blueprint to have an exclusive object produced for the given project. As a rule, experienced designer can handle both their and a decorator responsibilities. They usually handle all the process until the end, taking into account every detail. Only a designer has a clear vision of how the complete scene should look like. Clients generally hire a decorator when they fail to refresh the interior and need professional assistance. A decorator helps to create a harmonious scene with all objects connected to fulfill existing style. Next stage, we discuss some of the modern and previous history. Ancient history of interior design. People have always been interested in decorating the spaces in which they live and work. As far back as the Stone Age, people decorating their living spaces using drying, pattern, and natural pigment farm plants. The Egyptian, Greeks, Roman all paid great attention to the appearance of their most important building, with Roman making a point of showing off their wealth with lavish interiors. There have been periods in history, most notably the Dark Ages, whereby people paid less attention to the interior decoration, but the general trend has been one of the increasing emphasis on interior design as a display of personality and lifestyle. In most countries and cultures, architects have been responsible for the choosing the decor of interiors, and the role of interior designer is a relatively recent development. Until the 70s, elaborate interior design was the preserve of the rich, but as the 18th century wore on, the middle classes had the chance to make use of mass-produced, affordable ornaments and textiles. By the 18th, the middle class started to use materials style that would previously have been considered too luxurious for those not in the upper echelons of society, such as wallpaper. There have been numerous interior styles, including electric, classical, and rustic, and some are still popular inspiration today. Interior design as a distinct profession has been in existence for approximately 100 years. The first officially recognized interior designer is the West is the thought to be Dorothy Draper, an American interior decorator. The first publication to the use expression interior designer was Interior Design Decoration magazine, which was the first publication in the 1930s. At the end, I will summarize this lecture by introducing some of the MCQs. Please comment the correct answer in the comment section, and thank you so much.